Okay, all right, guys, everyone, welcome back. This is Jimdel-Edu. Welcome back for part 16. On part 15, we created this account with S, that PHP, that we display. We grab everything from the database and then we display them right here. Okay, and then now what we are going to do now. We are going to add the page. This one should be the first page. Okay, this one should be the first page. I'm going to add the pagination. Okay, now without further ado, let's go straight to it. Open your code editor. Okay, this is where we left on part 15. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. If you want, guys, I'm going to put something. I'm going to say part 16, and then we're working on the first thing. We are going to do two things. The first, pagination. Also, we are going to create, let me go back. We are going to create account without s.php, because when you click on create account, you have this link right here. We have account without s.php. Yeah, this page is blank because we don't have it yet. Okay, and then let's go back. Let's say part 16. We're working on two things. The first one is pagination, and the second one is account.php. That's okay. Part 16. This is the thing we are going to do. We are going to do pagination, we are going to add the CSS, and we are going to create account.php file. Okay. The first thing for pagination, I'm going to, okay. If you want, I can put it this way for you. Let me put it like this. Okay. And all right. Now we created it for that, and as we created the pagination, I'm going to give it a class name pagination. Okay, inside now we need, we should, as a pagination, we should start with page number 1. Okay, page number 1. I'll put an anchor tag. Also, I'm going to pass my PHP code and to call the pagination page and set it for page number 1. All right. The first thing, we have to call the URL. This is how we create. This is how I create a pagination page. Okay, at the bottom of anything. And now let's call our URL. Let's call our URL. Okay, and then now here, after URL, and okay, pagination page. Okay, okay. Bring this down. Okay, now, and here, go here. I need to put we need a order. Okay, go here. Now remove order. I'm going to add it inside. Add it after the closing PHP. Okay, and then okay, PHP again. Order. Okay, and then now let's see. Okay, PHP, where's the closing? Oh, okay, let me remove this and then place it. Yeah, okay, now it's This one is okay, and then go here. Order by. Okay, I'm going to move this over here. Okay, PHP here, and then order by now. Okay, yeah, okay, order by, and then now this is where I'm going to put the first thing we're going to create the preview page. Okay, we create the preview. Let's see here. Okay, no, okay, let me move PHP close. Yeah, the preview should be like this. Okay, let me bring this up. Okay, and this is one block of code. Okay, and then now I'm going to pass another PHP after the first line of code here. Okay, I'm going to say if pagination page is greater than 1. Okay, this is how I create the if to grab the next page. If put it this way. Okay, if pagination page greater than 1. Okay, and then grab next page. Now let's go. Okay, now and then now this is why we have to end the if statement, and if like this. Okay, now next I'm going to pass. This is where I'm going to say page. We need a page number 1. Okay, page 1. This is how I'm going to format it. 1, and then we got page 1, and then and so on. You will see as soon as I will save everything and refresh the browser, and you will see what I was talking about. Okay. Okay, and then 1 of 1, page 1 of 1, page 1 of 2. This is how we're gonna format it. Page, and then take the pagination, take it from here, and then pass it here, and then 1 of, and then the next one. And then to form the next one, I'm going to say this is how I'm going to say yeah, that's the account total. This is how you calculate account total divided by the result per page. Okay, and it should be, go here, quote 0. Oops, yeah, 1 space with a space here, and colon. Okay, space, accounts total divided by, again, by result per page. Okay, and then this is how we calculate it. All right, and next I'm going to say PHP if. Now I'm going to say if pagination. Now this is how we calculate again. You continue, grab the next page, the total page, and if pagination, we're gonna take the pagination page, multiply by the result per page to get the account total. Okay, now okay, time result per page, strictly less than account total. Okay. Now my URL. Okay, my URL, my pagination per page. Okay. Per page plus 1. Increase it to 1. Okay. Also, after that, I'm going to say order order by, and then next after I'll put order by equal, and then open another. We have to, let's see, open order by. Okay, yeah, order by. Let's see, the first is our first order by. Let's see, pagination plus 1, and order equal open PHP. Or no, the first one here should be order. Okay, here order, and then inside this PHP block we have order. And after that, this is oops, this is where I have order by right here. Order by equal, yeah, we have to open a PHP. Okay, right here, and then inside, this is where we have to call order by. Okay, and then close. Let's see, we got maybe we have an extra closing. Yes, we have an extra. Let's see if I remove this. It doesn't accept it. This is an order by. No, I put it back. Oh yes, okay. This is where I'm going to put next. Yes, we have preview. This is a preview right here. Okay, this block of code. We have preview right here, and then this is next. Or I can bring this down. Yeah, okay. Let's bring this down. This is another block of code. Okay, and now what I'm going to say, this is you have to the same for and if. We have if. I'm going to copy this line of code and paste it here, because we can bring this like this. We have if statement here. If statement, you have to close the if statement. Also, we have this div. Okay, let's bring this up. This is opening, closing, and then next, now this is where I'm going to call the, if you want to add the template admin footer. Okay, template admin footer like this. Okay, now we will call it. Okay, now this is the pagination. Let's go ahead, go to file, save or go back to our browser. Okay, let's refresh it. Okay, now as you can see, you got page one of one. Okay, but it's too close. We have to break it down a little bit. We will add some CSS in order to fix it, guys. Now next, let's go and go back and open your admin.css. Because we have to add fix the pagination page right here. Quick. Okay, I think you got everything here. This is how we just started from here. This is the first block of code for part 16, and then go ahead and open your admin.css. We will fix that. Okay. All right. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same thing if you want, guys, and I'm going to. I can put it this way, part 16. All right, and okay, this is for the pagination, and then now we go back to account.php. I'm going to copy this, go back and put it that and paste it here. Okay, the CSS, I can do this for you. You can see. Okay, and we need the list style type none. Okay, I need the pagine. These are top right. Okay. I want it to display inline flex. Also, justification content. Yeah, sometimes we grab items. We need a space between. Also, box sizing should be border box. Okay. Now save everything. Let's go refresh, and you will not see anything yet because I will need more to go. And here, okay, we need we need back sizing. Okay, and using padding right, 10 pixel, and next for pagination, and oops. Okay, we need. Oh, this is an extra here. Wow. Okay. I think it's okay now. It's you know the box shadow and background. Do we have to add? Yeah, it's okay if we add. Let's see. Put it this way. With the padding it, because I wanna and size. I need font width to be I want it to be bold. Also, okay, put it this way. Okay. Alright, so now we okay, but I just 4 and see if I add, let me see, let's finish. Okay, these are not for the next, remember we have next, we have preview, and we have next. This is preview next. Text. I'm going to use a text transform uppercase and give a font size. Okay. And here, let's see. This is for the current page. Okay. Okay. Let's put this value. Okay. And, all right. Then let's copy, paste here. Working with the okay. I'll put the same thing. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to file, save everything, and go back to our browser, refresh it. As you can see now, it's we bring it down. Okay, now which is good. But now let's when you click on create account, now we have account.php. We have to now let's go ahead and create account.php for the create account. Okay, and we're done with page 1 of 1 state page. Okay, now let's go ahead. I want you to go to your admin folder. Go to your admin folder and right click and create a new file. Save it as account without s.php and click on save. Okay. Now we have account .php. Now let's create account.php. Okay. The first thing we need a PHP. Okay. The first thing we need create our PHP. Okay. The first thing we'll create our PHP. Okay. In the PHP, and remember we have to include our main.php. Okay. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pass our default account. Okay, value. Our default account value. We're going to pass our default account values. I'm going to call it a account. I'm not going to just write account. Keep it simple. Okay, like this, and I'll bring this down and go inside. Okay, and it's the first thing. The first thing is email. Okay, like this. Second is password. All right. And then next we have full name. Let's see, we have, yeah, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do it this way and copy this, paste and remove. Now we have a wall. Okay, Role as the first one for role, I'm going to put up member, and next remove this one for our secret code, leave it blank, and then next, let me put it this way. Okay, and add last scene, which is we don't need this guy, we need last scene for date. Okay, oops, I'll copy this and basically remove secret. I'm going to put a status. Okay, and come on, remove this, copy this. Which one? Let me copy this one and keep it as a simple right here. Okay, remove email, and we are going to put we use a photo URL. Leave it blank, and now we're gonna have the IP address, and then next after that we need user agent. Oops, paste. Okay, all right, next we need registered registered for date, and like this. And then the last one, don't put the comma, don't put comma at the end, and then put a semicolon here. Okay, this is how we pass our default account values here. And then now next we are going to check, make sure we retrieve all the account from the database. We have to do it for account.php as well, because we did it part 15 for account.php. Now we are going to retrieve the account from the database. Okay, all right, so let's continue. Skip one line. To retrieve the account, I'm going to do it this way. Retrieve the account. Come on. From the data. Yes. Okay. To retrieve that, I'm going to use the if statement. Okay. And get, which is ID. Okay, and then now let me move this over, pass my code, and then okay, now use if session chat account role is equal to admin. I'm using statement. have to select everything from my account table called account, using the where clause where ID equal we don't know yet. Okay, and all right, now else is it done? Okay. ID and okay, now what I do here now, we don't know yet. I pass this line of code, say select everything from the database where ID equal, we don't know yet, but now we have to make sure that we identify that the account is, if the admin is logged in, where check everything from the my table called account where ID equal we don't know and wall. Now we have to give it an wall or not. It's not good to admin. I say double quote here. Okay, put smaller. Okay, admin. All right, and go here now. Now I got this statement. I have to execute the statement. Now I have to get the ID. Okay, and yeah, and also this is here. I'm going to pass everything from here. Okay, but that's why I'm going to call this guy and pass it here. Match a statement. I want this statement to fetch. Okay. Okay. All right. Next, now I'm going to check if I can edit the page. This is where I can edit the page inside the account.php. I have to set the page, and that's why I'm called page edit. Okay, this is what I'll call the edit button, and I'm going to pass if statement. When you edit, you post it a new value. Okay, a new data. Post. When you click on the submit, and here, and account here. Okay, and let's pass our code here. The first thing we are going to do is update the account, because this is what this is what we're working on right now, and using my not if statement. We don't need that if statement anymore. Right here, the first one for the password. It's not if our password password equal, if our password is not empty, okay, post our password. Okay. Now to hash our password, okay, and use post password, and now we got password default, post password, and then we have password default. And now next let's put space account password. Okay, now if session chat account wall is equal to admin, go here. Okay, now execute those statement for me. Yeah, I'm going to set up video. I have to prepare everything. Where update my table account, and I want you to set first thing with my email equal, we don't know yet, and my password equal question mark, okay, and wall equal question mark. Make this smaller, and after that we need a space, full name equal question mark, and we need a secret because I take everything from here, guys. I take everything from here and I pass them here just to update my account, everything here, because we have them inside the database, everything should be updated. Okay, photo URL, okay, yeah, this is a photo URL equal space question mark. Also take IP address, and I'll bring this down. After IP address, we need user agent, okay, and we have registered, okay, registered, yeah, and then I want to update where ID equal question mark, but we don't know yet. Okay, now now we have to statement, we have to execute the statement we just created. Okay, but the submission should now, yeah, because I want to post them. Okay, email and email, and now, yeah, password oops, go back, yeah, post wall and I'm going to post full name, go here to comma, space. Let me bring this down. Oops. Let me see if what did I get this? Let me go to edit. Yeah, okay, because I bring this down. Okay, full name, comma here, and then space, bring this down. And after full name, we need have to say I want to post the secret, next secret code, which is the password. And then also I want to post the last scene. I wanna post after last scene status. Okay. And then I wanna post last scene status for the URL, and put a comma here, space, bring it down. Okay, after photo URL, I wanna post after photo URL the IP address. We need a user agent. And after the user agent, we have registered. Okay, and also after posting everything, let's see, we started from here, execute, we post the email, and then now we have to get the I'm going to get the ID here. Okay, and put a semicolon. Okay, now else, but if now we don't know, I'm going to use the else statement here. Else is statement call PDO prepare update account and set email equal email equal question mark. And I'm going to do the same thing. Let me show you what I mean by that. Take it from, I'm going to take it from statement. Let me see if I take. Okay, let me code it. Set email equal and password full name oops, give me something again. Wow, yeah, I put full name and then blank. Oops, nope, okay, full name, and then we bring this down, and we have after full name we have secret. We have last scene, and we have status. We have photo URL, follow URL equal, okay, and where ID equal question mark. Okay, now this statement, I have to execute the statement here, and I have to post email, password, okay, I have to password and post full name here. Oops. After full name, we have to post secret here, and go here, comma, space. Okay, let me bring this like this. Yeah, comma, space, bring this down, and after secret we have I'm going to say post last seen. Okay, yeah, follow URL, and then get ID. Okay, with semicolon here at the end. Okay, now this is where I pass my header location. Okay, and the location should be at account.php, and when my success message, okay, and after that I have to exit. All right, I want you to go after this, closing here, go after that with if post. Now we update. I'm going to create, remember we did edit. These are for the delete. This is page edit. This is if you set post delete. Okay, not server, edit bank. Okay, it's supposed to be session. I'm going to chat account role equal to admin. All right, now we right here. Now we right here. If the chat account will equal to admin, what we want to do, we want to this is why we have to let me pass it here. We can put so we're working with the delete button. Okay, working with the delete button, and using statement I want you to delete from table, my table called account, where ID we don't know. Get ID. Location. Success message. And then now we have to exit. And then go after this one right here. Now we need if not data sign account, remember, pass our code here. If not admin account, if it is not account, we have to exit, and the request is not okay. This is an invalid request. That's why I'm writing now. And now we have to say the invalid request. Yep. Okay. If they not account, we have this is an invalid request. All right. Let me bring this up because we have this. You have remember we see. You create this block of code, and then we leave this as it is, and then we go here, and that's where I'm going to create the else if statement right here. Okay, else if statement right here. Now this is where else if statement, this is where I'm going to create a new account right now. This is I'm able to create a new account. Okay, every statement, or I can add it right here. I'm going to put it create a new. This is how you this started from else if statement right here. You start create a new account, because I have to call page, get a new page. I have to call page equal, call it create. Okay, all right, so on page, call it create, and then this is default. Okay, call it create. Let's go to faster. We'll work with the if statement right here. Post. Okay, submit. Okay, and then let's pass our code here. The first thing, submit my password, not empty. I have to post password. Password hash. Post it to the database. Password. This here. Space. We need password default. Okay. And we need add a password. We need a password default, and okay, I think you see where now, you see where I'm at right now. Okay, now next go to the next line using statement. Statement video prepare. Now I want to create. I have to insert everything inside of my table called account inside my database. And now insert like this. Insert, come on, into, yeah, my table called accounts. Okay, first thing should be email, password, role, full name, secret, Racine, status, photo URL, and then we have IP, user agent, and we have registered. Okay, and go here. These are the values. We don't know them yet. Okay, this is how I'm going to put. We don't know them yet. We have to add question mark for each. We need let's see, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 question mark, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, I guess. Yeah, should be 11. Should be 11. Yes, 11. And 11, put a semicolon here. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Maybe something. Wait, then remove this. This is the opening. This is the closing. Yes. Okay. Let's bring this. Yeah. Put semicolon here. Okay. Now let's go to statement. After adding the statement, we have to execute the statement. Okay. Now. And then execute the statement. The first one we have to oh no, execute the statement like this. Yeah, first we have to use the post. The first thing we are gonna post is the email. Email, and then we said password, comma, we're gonna post wall, email, password, wall right here. Okay, and we wanna post after wall. We wanna post full name. Okay, and here, comma, space. We're gonna, and after full name we need secret. After secret we need the last scene. And we need status right here. And then we need the photo URL. We need IP. agent. And we need registered. Okay. Also the location header. Account.php. Success message 1. And then we have to exit, and then here leave this right here, go to this one. I'm going to say else exit. Okay, invalid request. Semicolon. Okay. We keep, as you can see, keep writing. But next, let me show you what we do now. We're almost done for this part, guys. And let me show you. Let me bring this down just a little bit so that you can see. Okay. Here, else exit. Bring this up. Okay, closing. This is the closing PHP. Everything is inside this PHP. Okay, next I'm going to show you something. Next, I want you to go ahead and save everything. Let's go back and refresh the page. Go to create account. Okay, unexpected. This guy expecting this on line 59 right here. Else if okay, we got this else, this one for this. We're not supposed to get any error here. Let's see if, yeah, let's see, continue, refresh. No, still got a message. Okay, because if we got this open, unexpected this. Okay, let's see, line 59. Okay, we got else because we want to create a new account. So if we want to create a new account, we should get we got page equal create. We should get access to create it as an admin. We should open our session to get to give our admin role as admin. Only the admin can create a new account inside the admin panel. Okay, this is why we should say else if open here. Okay, else if we need a session. Okay, and call it chat account role. We have to set it to admin right here, equal to single quote admin. Okay, like this. We have to add this line of code in order to get access to create a new account. Save everything, and let's go back and refresh. Now we got another error. Unexpected this not equal on line 62. Line 62. Okay, line 62 where we said line 62 where we say password, or let's say okay, yes, we have we should remove the equal sign in front of empty. Okay, because we have password equal only the exclamation point right here. Password equal not empty, like this. Okay, save everything. Let's go back, refresh. Okay, now we don't see anything yet because we should add, let me show you, we should add what we call the admin, the template admin header. Okay, let's add the, okay, I'm going to add the template admin header and call the page account manage. Okay, yeah, now we call it, we should be able to see everything. Let's go and refresh it. Now as you can see, we call it, that's why we got everything back. Okay, all right, so now what do we need next? We need our CSS in order to see everything here. Okay, let me remove some, clear my browser, clear, and refresh. Now we clean. Okay, now we have view, now create, but we don't see anything yet, but we need our CSS. Let's click on create. Okay, all right, now next what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some CSS for you guys. Okay, let's add some CSS to see where we at. Next, open your admin.css and we will add some CSS. You will see where we stand. Admin.css. Okay, admin.css. We need admin.css. Before adding our CSS or passing our CSS, let's create the form, because we need the form to put our data here. Okay, because if we able to create an account, now we can view, but to create an account we should be able to we should get the form, okay, to put our data first. Okay, let's go back, go here, let's continue. I'm going to create a form. Okay, and action, leave it blank. Method should be post. All right, put it this way and create a div. All right, and I'm going to call this title. I want it to be responsive and flex. I want to wrap everything. Bad, but 3. Okay. Now the H2 class responsive with okay, and then right away I'm going to pass my a PHP line of code here, and then to call the page for the account as a link. Okay, and pass it here, and call this guy account. Okay, okay, if we save everything, let me show you something quick as I put this. If we save everything, and let's see if we refresh this, as this is the title. Okay, okay, now this is this. Now you can see we're working on the page called create account. Okay, and yeah, let's continue. We need this guy here, and I'm going to call account.php to create account, and then we will get everything. We'll see. Let me show you back. Let me go back to create account. We should get call account.php so that you can see it. Okay. Account.php, and we need a class here. Add a button, margin right. Okay. 2, and then here for the cancel, you can cancel as well. Okay, button. All right. Pass a PHP for the page is created. Now I'm going to set if my page, that for the edit first, page edit. Okay. Yeah, chat account word equal to admin, and okay, bring this down now, and input type for the submit, name delete, okay, class, give a color of red, the button, and I need margin right 2. Also I want it on click. Oh no, let me go after this. Yeah, should be on click, return. I want to return the confirmation. I want to say, are you the message? Are you sure? Yeah. You want to delete this account? Okay. This is a question, put a question mark. Yep. Are you sure you want to delete this account? And then that's what I'm going to end if right here, PHP. And next input for the type submit. For the button, name submit, value. Now for the save, okay. If you want to delete, save or cancel, okay. Now we have cancel, and we have the delete, value delete, now value save, and class button. Okay, this is div, one block of code. Okay, if we refresh everything, go to create. All right, now we have the two button right here, cancel and save. Once we pass our CSS, we'll fix everything. And let's continue. And I'm going to pass div, where I'm going to pass all my content block right here. All right. Make sure the form is responsive. Okay, and pass another div, call this guy form responsive with, okay. The first thing we need okay, we need a label for email. All right, and class. I want it to be required for the email. should enter your email required. Okay, and put this sign right here and put email. Okay, now as you can see, this is another block of code. We can now go ahead and save. If you save everything right here, you will see the result right here. Okay, now we have email. Let's continue and go. Where we at? Okay, yeah, we had label for email. But we need input. If you have label input type, it should be email. Yeah, working with email. Type email and the name be email. Also, we need a placeholder email. Put your email right here, and we need value where we pass our PHP. That's where the magic happen. And HTML. Yes. My account. Okay. Email. And required. That's one block of code, guys. Bring this down. This is the div. Okay. All right, now let's do for password. We're done with email. Now let's do for password. We need label for password. And okay, now call the page. Okay, yeah. It's supposed to be, come on. Okay, and then now we put password. We need input type text. Password. Placeholder, pass my PHP. Yeah, I said PHP and called page. Edit. New. And we need password here. Okay. Next we need label for full name, and let's put full name here. Okay. Input type text. Input type text. Name. That's it. Working full name. Full name. Also, we need ID. Full name. We need placeholder. You can put anything. Okay. Also value and pass PHP here. HTML special character. Count for full name. And quote. Okay. Now I'm going to say if open my not server session chat account or admin. Okay, and pass my code here. Oops, no. Okay, chat account. Say if open my my session right here. Let me remove this and put it. Let me put it this way. Okay. Oops. No. Not div. Label. Account ID. This is label for wall. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, label for wall. Let's see. We need let's see. Make sure we get it right. This is the label for wall. Okay. Make sure I got it right. We got some. Oh, okay. PHP. Oh, yes. Remember, remove this. Put it. We're supposed to get it here. Yeah. And let's see. We're working with wall. We don't need this. I don't know where we got this from. Yeah, this is a PHP, and we're supposed to get this like this. Yeah, this is the way it's supposed. This is the way it's supposed to be, guys. And this is that's what I'm trying to figure it out. We have select name wall and ID wall. Okay. Also want it to be required, and bring the closing select at the bottom, and use I'm going to use option here for the value. Which is first one is should be guest, operator, or admin. Okay, when the user is logging, the user should wait for the admin, operator, or a guest. So okay, could be an operator or admin or guest. It depends on the role. Now we have value guest. Okay, value guest. I'm going to the user could be as a role right here. The user could be a guest. Okay, that's for the option. The user could be a guest, and take the account. Let me show you why I take ACC, because we grab it from here. As we take ACC, we'll check everything from the email, password to verify if verify the identity of the user. Okay, this is what why we put. Okay, the first one is wall right here. We say wall equal to, if you say guess, as a guest. Okay. Yep. Put a with let's see, as a guest, and then yes. Okay. Go to selected. Okay, but let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay, and then now we have to put guest right here, and then options. Okay, I can do, oops, I caught this. Let me bring this, oops, no. Okay, we can keep it. Let me put this up. That's too big. Too low. Yeah. Okay, and then now let's go to the let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next one. Next option. Okay, this is a value for operator. If the user is an operator right here. Let me do the same thing. I'm going to copy this line of code, okay, just to save some time. Copy and paste this guy right here. Remove guest, put okay operator right here, and put role. This is fine, and then remove guest here. Okay, and selected, remove guest. Okay. Okay, and next one. Oops. Next one here. Paste this guy, and next should be admin. Okay, the user can be okay. Admin will remove guest. Put admin. Selected admin. Okay, admin, and then selected, and make sure that we got PHP and if, because we said the if session. Okay, we have to close it. Next we need the label for secret. Okay, secret cookie. Okay, and we need the input type text ID. No, that's okay, that's fine now. And then name secret, pass our placeholder, and that's why I put secret authentication cookie value pass. Okay, and pass my PHP here. Okay. Yep, HTML, and now I'm going to call SCC. Okay, secret. Good. Okay, and now we need the label for last scene. Last scene date. Okay. Put input type date time local, and we need ID last scene. Name last scene. Okay. Name last scene. We need the value. This is where I pass my PHP date. This is my format date. Okay, and put a comma here. Now remember, this is the string to time. Okay. This is for last scene, and also I'm going to put required here. This is a label for status right here. Select, bring this down, name, and ID, and put required here. I'm going to use option. Okay, our first option value should be idle here, and pass my PHP. Oops, close it here, and then where I'm going to put it here. Take the status should be equal to question mark. Okay, and select it after the closing, and a single quote here, and then put it. All right, now let me show you something. If you save everything, guys, so far so good. Doing almost done for this page. Save everything, save all, go back, refresh. As you can see, we got the form right here with what you're working on it. As a guest, you can choose anything. Okay, and we got the so far so good. Okay, because we're creating the form to create the account. Okay, working with the select, go to the next line here. Next option value option, you can say you're occupied, you have to wait, or the admin is away. Do the same thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to delete this. I'm going to copy this line and paste it here. I'm going to make some changes. Remove this, put occupied right here, and the status we're gonna keep status as it is, and remove this guy here, put occupy here, selected, put the same thing over here. Okay, oops, like this. Yeah, also do the same thing. Next, copy and paste. And next option, value weighting. Okay, status is okay, and then now put weighting here, selected, and put weighting here. And we need another option, copy and paste. Remove this, put away. The admin or operator could be away, so you can choose that option as well. We selected and put away right here. Okay. Bring this option. Okay. Now, next we need label for photo URL. Okay. URL, and then we have to create input to enter type text, and we need ID photo URL. We need name for that. We call it photo URL as well. And, oops, not PHP. We need a placeholder photo URL. Put like this, capital, and we need value, and we open our PHP. Okay. Now because we're working photo URL. Okay. And then now we need to our create a PHP hour session for the IP address as an admin. So I'm going to create the if statement session chat account for is equal to admin. Okay, all right, and label for IP. Put IP address. Input type text, and then we need an ID IP. We need a name IP. We need no value. We need placeholder first. IP address, and add our value and pass our CSS here. The value here and our value. This is, remember, this is where we open, pass our PHP. Okay. Let's see, special jar. Let's see. value. Okay. Okay, now because we're working with where we at, IP. Yes, we're working with IP. We're working with IP. Okay. Now let's take I want to say label for user agent. Oops, no, supposed to be okay. And input type for our user agent, and we need input type text, which is fine. We need the ID user agent, and we need name user agent. Also we need a placeholder user agent, and our value, that's, remember, we pass our PHP user agent. You can okay, now next block of code, this is for registered. This is for okay. Okay, label for registered, and then we need the input type. This is the type, the date time local. Okay, ID registered, and then give it a name registered. Our value, okay, PHP. At this time we put date for registered. Oops, let's see. Okay, yeah. Date format here. Remember, which is strength to time. Registered, and then let's give it let's say required. And now we have I'm going to close the if statement. If for everything, let's say, because this is where our if statement started, we open the session for the admin to pass everything here, and that's why I have to say PHP and if like this. Okay, opening, closing, and let's bring here. Okay, all right, so this is our form. Now we can call I'm going to call the template for the footer, template admin footer. I'm going to call a template admin footer here. Let's say no, like this. Okay, this is the template admin footer. Okay, this is the last part of in our block of code. Now what we're going to do, we're going to save everything and refresh the page. Save everything here, refresh. Okay, now we have pretty much everything that we need: email, password, full name, role, secret administration cookie right here, date, okay, status photo here, IP address, user, agent, also registered for update again. Okay, now guys, this is our output for account. So, and this is the last part, a block of code. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop. I'm going to stop right here. In the next video, we will pass our CSS to fix everything here. We'll fix everything. Everything will be fine. Will look good, guys. We'll fix the button, everything. Okay, and this is where I'm going to stop for part 16. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I'm glad you reached from that far, guys. Okay, and then I cannot wait to finish on this series tutorial. And as I showed you before on part 15, that we got a lot of big project that we're working on right now. All right, see you in the next one for part 17. All right, see you. Bye bye.